for that matter. Oy, oy, oy. Look at there, y'all didn't even know it flipped over. Look, upside down boat back. Anyway guys, welcome back. We got the twin motor Deltaforce 29, twin motor monohull out here at the park pond. Today we're going to be continuing the inward rotating propeller test. I usually run them outward rotating, so I've done some stinger adjustments. I had to repair my freaking hatch. She went airborne and basically put a hole in the boat, man. So stick around, we're gonna run the boat. Freaking carnage, boy. Oh my god. So I have a video on how I repaired this hatch. Okay, we're actually going to lay up a carbon fiber hatch here shortly, so ring the bell to get notified for that. Okay, laying up a custom carbon fiber hatch for the 29. This boat's basically all custom built, twin motor 2860 Leopard Hobby 2750 kV. Today we're going to be running a single battery. This is 11,300 milliamp 150C SMC HCl HP. Okay, I usually run anywhere from a 5200 to 6300 milliamp battery, two of them. So I think this 11,000 should be good. It's got some weight, should help hold the boat down. I basically have maybe a 1 degree down angle on my stingers, if that. When we crashed the boat in the previous inward rotating propeller test, I had quite a bit of down angle because that's what the boat liked when I ran outward. With them inward, the boat has a lot more lift, especially with the negative angle I had. It was lifting the whole boat up out the water. Oh, One-Eye Willie, baby. One-Eye Willie, huh? It's got the battle scars, boy. If she ain't got a hole or a crack in it, it ain't being run hard enough. You know what I mean? Okay, so I got like a flat stinger. Still wanting to pick it up. Guy come through here with a dog, threw branches in the water. What full grown man. But let's see what it does here. Yeah, it's definitely picking it up way too much. So let's see what it does in a turn. Yeah, I don't like the inward. I really don't. I don't like the inward. It's not as stable. It's wanting to oversteer in a turn. I have my rates, my travels, everything, exponentials, it's all pretty much set so that when I give it some rudder, it don't jump right into it. It kind of eases into the turn. And yeah, she just, yeah, it just wants to pick it up. Even with that forward CG with that big battery. Man, outward's the way to go, you guys. I'm just doing this test because I had a lot of guys building a twin motor boat, a twin motor mono, and I had a lot of requests for a prop test. If you guys are interested in the outward rotating prop performance in my playlist, I have a lot of videos with outward. This is only my second test with the inward. Yeah, man, it's just got too much lift. Wow, I didn't even give it no input right there. Definitely outward from now on. You can definitely hear the twin motor sound with it inward. You know, you can hear the motor spooling up. Yeah, man, look at that. It just like cut out. I barely gave it any input. I'm scared to do any ovals, you know? That was full trigger right there. Second time I've ever flipped this freaking boat. If that tells you anything whatsoever, you know? Oh, damn, I could steer it in. Had complete control. So I'm just gonna kind of beat around here. Not gonna do any more straights because I don't like the performance. I don't want to mess my boat up, so we're just gonna kind of finish it up in a bash it out. Yeah, man, it's so uncontrollable. I had all that oversteer worked out with the outward rotation, you know. Wow, it's a complete different handling boat. At least a little bit of steering you give it, it wants to cut. No torque roll, you know. That's the main reason I did a twin motor build, so it wouldn't torque roll. I could put big props on. I went ultra light with this boat right here. It's got the 2960s, you know, 90 amp ESCs and a 29-inch boat. So it's ultra light compared to some of the other twin motor monos that I've seen. Jan over at Cozy RC is building a custom carbon fiber mono hull, and it's freaking boss. All carbon fiber, constructed wood bulkhead stringers. It's nice, all handmade, and it's a little bit bigger than this one. I think his is 32 or something like that, but he's going with like a 40 series motor, 150 amp ESC, you know, on 6S, and I kind of went the opposite route with mine, lightweight. Now I do have it set up so I can run a heavyweight setup. I have it set up so I can put a 36 series motor in here, or even a 29 series motor for that matter. Oy, oy, oy. Look at there, y'all didn't even know it flipped over. Look, upside down boat bash. Upside down boat bash, baby. Yeah, I have it set up so I can put 3650, 3660, 150 in here eventually. You know, definitely not going to run it inward. Definitely going to run outward. I literally have a level stinger position. You know, I could maybe go up a quarter or half a degree to get a perfectly level stinger with the ride surface, but I definitely think outward's the way to go. Just the turning alone is all the reason to go outward. You know, it don't oversteer as bad outward. I've even run this boat with an inward, or both two of the same direction prop, counterclockwise rotating props, and it was wacky. Definitely been a fun experience with this boat, you know, running inward, outward, twin motor period, my first twin motor build period, first twin motor I ever owned or built for that matter. And I'm actually working on a catamaran, little 21-inch catamaran twin motor, and it's this boat, testing different props, the rotation, getting a feel for what the twin motors do, how to tune the boat with a twin motor, what to expect. It's been a fun learning experience, you know. That's probably about our battery. That 11,000, it didn't hit low voltage or anything, but I'm just gonna bring it in and check the temps, and I'll let you guys go, you know. She's, man, it was a pretty boat till I wrecked it, man. But I kind of figured that was gonna happen. These hatches on these Deltaforce hulls are so thin, man. If you have a Deltaforce, you're gonna have to reinforce the inside. The inside of this one is reinforced and it's still broke. Yeah, she runs a little bit warm with the outward rotating props, but I think it's just the electronics I chose is kind of borderline for the boat, you know, with the 2960s. Not a drop of water in here. We got 58 before we freaking crashed. Hopefully everything's in the shot. Let's get a temp real quick. 147, 127, 156, 108. Everything's within operating temperatures. We had some warmer temperatures, but everything's within operating temp. I want to check the voltage on this big battery. This is the battery I've been using in my oval my oval boat, the Dominator. I've been setting that boat up for ovals. This 11,300, and it's man, it's been a stout pack for real. It's a little on the heavy side only because it's such a high milliamp, but it's not warm. You got 15.4, 384, 384. So actually had a long run time with 2 ESCs, 2 motors pulling from it. You know, had a long run time, to be honest with you, and it's at storage voltage, so that's awesome. Personally, I like outward. It plants the boat. It don't want to tip. You guys seen how it wanted to lean and tip over? It wasn't torque rolling in a straight, but it would lean to one side or the other. And with outward rotating props spinning outward, it actually tends to plant the boat so it don't lean in a straight. Okay, I noticed with the outward, it cuts in a turn pretty hard, but nowhere near as hard as it cuts with the inward rotating props. I think the propeller is basically throwing that wash onto the rudder blade, exacerbating the rudder movement, causing it to oversteer. So I'm going to go back to outward rotating. It's stable. I'll let you guys go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the test. Jacking my jaws. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. There goes my remote. Join the boat gang. Be a part of the boat gang. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. As promised, we're going to do the servo mount giveaway for Mad Lizard. This is for the Jetstream. Basically, add a micro servo to the Jetstream for the on-the-fly trim. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the video link. I want to do this live here. Hopefully everything shows up. Anything goes. Let's change that to keyword filter, and the keyword was boat gang. Boat gang. Okay, continue. 28 comments. Pick a winner. Doug Lauser. I hope I got that right. Doug Lauser, you won the servo mount for the Jetstream. I'll have it sent out to you. You're going to need to email me your address. Ironclad it out. Details will be in the description. Doug, you got to get up with me. Sounds great. Video quality perfect. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video with the twin motor mono. I'm actually working on the twin motor catamaran. Got the motors mounted up. Got all my goodies in. Okay. And happy Halloween. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.